Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing us how to print out our call-up letters. Those people that are going for nysc, you want to print out your call-up letters. You want to know where you're serving. So how do you print out your call-up letters when you must have registered for nysc? How do you go about doing that? First of all, you're going to go to this web address, https://portal.nysc.org.ng. That's where you're going to go to. So that is the website to go to. You can see it, https://portal.nysc.org.ng. that's the website to go to. So once you hit that on your address bar, you're going to see this website. Click on login. You can see here, this is login. Click on login. So when you click on login, you're going to see a new page where you're supposed to put in your username and password. You can see that username and password. Your username should be your email. You can see it is written here, email address. Type in your email address, any email address that you used in creating your nysc portal. Then type in your password. Then click on resume. It's going to open up your portal. So once your portal is opened, you're going to see where they wrote print call-up letter. You click on it, your call-up letter will be printed. Very simple. So get to the web address that I showed you. You can type in www.portal.nysc.org.ng. hit the login, then it opens here. Put in your email, put in your password, and click on this resume. Once you do it, you're going to see where they wrote print call-up. Click on it, then you have your call-up letter. That's how you go about it. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button. If you have any questions on this, more clarification on how to register for nysc batch A, batch B, batch C, just drop the question on the comment section and I'll help you go about answer that. Thank you. God bless you.